How to enable or disable automatic backups in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and go to the top menu bar. Then, click on DaVinci Resolve and select Preferences from the drop-down. Next, in the Preferences window, click on the User tab and then select Project Save and Load from the side menu. Here you will find the option for Live Save and Project Backups. To enable automatic backups, make sure the Project Backups checkbox is checked. Below that, you can customize how often DaVinci Resolve saves backup copies of your project by adjusting the backup project interval. You can set it to save every few minutes based on your preference. If you want to disable automatic backups, simply uncheck the Project Backups option. Keep in mind that disabling backups means you won't have restore points if something goes wrong. Once you have made your changes, click on Save at the bottom right of the Preferences window to apply your settings. It's a simple way to protect your work or keep your workspace clean if you prefer managing backups manually. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable automatic backups in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.